Hi, this is Patty, and you're listening to Patty's Corner, and here I am in my corner. Anyways, February is Feb Ibig. You know what it is. We're gonna talk about love, not my love life, but someone else's love life. Now, I just wanted to share because they inspire me to be the Lulu. Makikita niya to. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I want to share the love story of my aunt and my uncle. Hindi ko na siya paka-profound. Basta ikukwento ko na lang siyang the way that I remember it as a kid. So, one time, nasa grocery kami ng mom ko and my grandmother. Bigla may lumapit na lady. And I don't know who she is, but they had to talk. And then the next thing that I heard is, my aunt is getting married. Ha? Ha? She's getting married? How? Wala naman siyang boyfriend. Anyway, she is in Dubai at this point. She is in Dubai at this point. So, paano? Wala naman siyang sinasabi sa amin. So, nalaman lang namin out of nowhere na ayun nga, nag-reconnect pala sila nung boyfriend niya before nung college. Nag-reconnect sila, hinanap ata siya or nakita siya. I don't know how that went, hindi ko na tinanong kung paano. Basta nag-reconnect sila at nagkita silang muli online. Thank you Facebook, thank you Messenger, Yahoo Messenger pa ata nun. Thank you for that. Nag-reconnect sila and they're happily married now. Anyway, edi ayun na nga, nakita nga namin yung lady, which is the sister pala of my uncle. I don't know her. I don't know her. It was my first time seeing her at that time. Tapos, sabi nga niyang ganyan na, nandyan daw yung uncle ko. Tapos, parang balak nga atang pumunta sa amin para sabihin about nga doon sa plan nila. So, the next day, I believe, or the next 2 days, my uncle and his brother went here sa house. And then, nagpakilala sila, ganyan. Tapos, naalala ko pa yung picture na yun. Pinicturean ako ng mom ko with them. I look so fudgely. Up until now naman eh. Char. Anyway, so, ayun na nga. They went here sa house and then they explained na he reconnected with my aunt. Tapos, kakasal sila. The next year, I think the next year or the next 2 years, umuwi yung aunt ko. Tapos umuwi din again my uncle. And they got married. They were, like, take note ha. They were separated for about 20 years, I believe. Because that was in the 80s. Tapos, kinasal sila 2011. Sa pagkakatanda ko, 2011 yun. Kinasal sila. At alam mo, they have previous partners. Pero, those partners didn't work out. They didn't have kids with those partners. Tapos, they reconnected again. And, poof, fell in love again and got married. This is where my delulu comes in. Kasi if someone is really for you and if there is someone talaga na fated for you, you know, kahit nasaan kayo, kahit anong ginagawa nyo, when the right time comes and it's God's perfect timing, pagtatagpuin talaga kayo ng universe at ni God. Alam mo yun, naniniwala ka ba doon? Ako naniniwala ako doon. Ako wala pa akong, ewan ko kailan siya darating pero sana naman, wag naman kapag 50 na ako. Ay, ang saya lang, straight from Wattpad. Straight from Wattpad. Ang saya lang kasi si auntie ko, I remember when I was little, I was there at the I was there at the apartment and I remember the previous relationship she had. I don't remember anything na parang, me being close with that person, the previous partner. But I do remember where she lived. Because I was going there when I was a kid. And then, fast forward, ayun, no, wala na, hindi ko na alam. Bigla na lang siyang nandito ulit sa house namin. And then she went abroad. Tapos, ayun na, nahahanap siya ng uncle ko. Tapos kinasal sila. Alam mo yun, like, at ang hirap pa nun na wala man Facebook. I mean, there's Facebook at that time, but hindi siya widely used here. Oh, wait. Take note pala, my uncle was in the US. So they're both in the US na right now. Hindi ako nagpaalam baka pagalitan ako. Naaano lang ako kasi they give me hope. They give me hope. They give me hope that there is someone out there for me, someone I don't know yet that is gonna come into my life. I am very hopeful. Kasi talaga naman na para bang, alam mo yun, what are the odds na magkikita kayo ulit tapos kayo pala talaga para sa isa't isa. They, even though they don't have a kid, they love each other and they understand each other and they support each other. Yun lang, wala lang, na ano lang ako, na 'pag naalala ko sila para bang, "Aw, I hope ako din at some point." Napakaarte. Like kasi naman like my mom, makikita niya 'to. Like my mom, she she didn't have any successful relationship because ang napansin ko is kapag meron siyang ayaw, exit siya agad. And I think that's kinda toxic. Sorry mommy, medyo that's kinda toxic. But if kasi I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Well, whatever decision that she decides, I'm just gonna support her. But ewan ko, for like meron ba siyang katuwid? Feeling ko ang katuwid niya si God. God is her true love. Cause oh my gosh, my mom, simba yan lagi. Always nagsisimba. Always at the church, always with a group organization, always in a Bible study group, kind of like that. Wala namang masama doon, as long as she's happy with it. But the way, for me, kung ako, I want someone to grow old with, to raise kids with. Alam mo yon, meron akong dream na gano'n, like, gusto ko maging housewife. Gusto ko maging housewife. Gusto ko maging housewife at one point of my life, like just raising kids. I don't know, ang ano ko nun, ang parang people's gonna watch this. I don't know why, like with my age, like most of the people that I know or most of my friends, like some of them don't like to have kids anymore, but me, I think I do. I'm still there and I still want to have kids and I still want to get married. And going back to my aunt and my uncle, they they give me hope. Alam mo yun, they give me light, they give me hope that one way or another meron kang nakatuwid na someone for you. And I know it's not all butterflies and all that because you have to understand each other. Pero alam mo yun, na parang naniniwala ka ba na lahat tayo meron tayong katuwid na makakasama mo sa buhay mo? Ewan ko kasi si mama ko, hindi ko din ano eh. Maybe because I don't want to get into a relationship as well because I don't want to be like her. Maybe unconsciously that's what I am thinking. Maybe that's what I am thinking, but hindi naman sila nagkulang ng pagmamahal sa akin, especially my grandparents, especially my lolo and my mom. She raised me well. She raised me well, not all alone because, well, if you say na kung parent, yeah, all alone because my dad was never in the picture and he didn't really try to be in the picture. So yeah, gusto ko lang sabihin na my uncle and my aunt, they're kind of like my hope to have a future relationship. Alam mo yun, minsan napapaisip ako kung meron pa bang darating for me. But I'm still hopeful, I'm still out there thinking. Pero ang hirap kasing makipag-date din eh, at this age, at this generation, I mean, parang ang hirap makipag-date. Like, how do you get a date? Do you go on blind dates or what? I don't know. Diyos ko, si ate mo girl kasi na lagi lang nanonood ng K-drama at nagpapaka-delulu sa kanyang mga opa. Tapos kapag meron pa akong ay ang hirap talaga kasi kapag ewan ko ba, meron ako nami-meet tapos naiinis ako kapag tinatanong ako kung, "Kumain ka na ba? Huwag kang magpapagutom ha." Parang, "Tanga ka ba? Malamang hindi ako magpapagutom 'no, bakit ko gugutumin yung sarili ko?" O kaya yung hindi ka pa natutulog, Sabi niya, "Uy, matulog ka na, wag kang magpuwet." Ano ba? Matutulog ako kapag gusto ko matulog, wag mo akong iniinis ako, ayoko yung mga gano'n na small talk. Naiinis ako sa mga gano'n. 'Pag gano'n na yung kausap ko, Imma be like, "Goodbye, I don't wanna talk to you." You know, puwede naman tayong mag-usap like what ng ibang stuff. Hindi ko alam paano ako feeling ko ako din yung problema. Oh my gosh. Me is the problem, I guess. Can you give me dating tips? Please, type in, comment down below. Cause it's so hard to go on a date. It's so hard for me to meet. I don't know. It's so hard. I don't know. Ayokong tumandang talaga. Alam mo yun? Ganun na yung fear ko. Yung fear ko ganun na. Bakit ako may fear na ganun? Dapat wala akong fear na ganun kasi ang dami ko naman pwedeng gawin in my life. You know? Wala, I'm just blabbing here. Tsaka gusto ko lang i-share yun, yung ano ni auntie ko, ng uncle ko, kasi they give me hope. Ulit-ulit ako, kasi they give me hope. Wala, manood na lang tayo ng K-drama.